How to split and trim a video in VLC Media Player. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to save only the part of a video you want without installing any additional software. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Next, open the video you want to trim. At the top of the VLC window, click View, then Enable Advanced Controls. You'll now see a red Record button above the playback controls. Move the playback slider to the point where you want your trimmed video to begin. Click the Record button, then press play. VLC will begin recording from that point. When you reach the end of the section you want to keep, pause the video if you need a more precise ending. You can also use the frame-by-frame button to select the exact frame before stopping the recording. Once you're ready, click the Record button again to stop recording. VLC will automatically save the recorded clip to your computer. To find your trimmed video, open File Explorer. Then go to the Videos folder. You'll find your newly recorded clip saved there, ready to watch, edit, or share. And that's it. You've successfully split and trimmed a video using VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful VLC Media Player and Windows tutorials.